Hello guys, what's going on? Techdragonz here and welcome to a new video. Today we are going to take a look at a e-bike kit. Let's go. So obviously this e-bike kit comes in a box, and in this box we will find the wheel itself, a tire and tube, and the goodie box. The tire and tube are from the brand Kenda, which will get the job done. The battery of my choice was a 48 volt 11.6 ampere hour battery, which should give me a decent amount of range. The charger that is included is a pretty cheap generic charger, which charges the battery in about 6 hours. Let's jump over to the goodie box. In the goodie box you will find a pair of grips, which I will not use. You'll also find a set of e-brakes, which I will also not use, and a LCD3 display. You will also find a speed controller there, and that speed controller is rated at 36 to 48 volts. It also has waterproof connectors. And last but not least, we have the manual. The manual is pretty generic, it's not really meant for this kit specifically, but yeah, who reads those anyways? After about 2 weeks of usage, I can safely say that I really enjoyed this kit. I have ridden about 300 kilometers on it and I've enjoyed every single moment. That was it for today guys, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.